Okay, since I have a whole bag of Kinako flour left over from making truffles, today we're going to make Kinako muffins filled with black sesame paste. First, we're going to make the black sesame paste by toasting some black sesame seeds in a hot pan. Once the sesame seeds are popping around and you can smell the fragrance coming through, then you're ready to turn off the heat. We're then going to place the sesame seeds into a blender and blend it until it forms a paste. Depending on your blender, this could take a while, so just keep pulsing it until it forms a paste. Once your black sesame paste is ready, just add in the honey and give it a mix until it's evenly mixed through, and then you can set it aside. We're then going to work on the streusel, so just add all the streusel ingredients into a bowl except for the butter, then give it a rough mix. Once the dry ingredients are mixed together, add in the butter and pinch it together until it becomes the texture of wet sand. The consistency should be similar to what I've got shown here, where it's dry enough to crumble but also wet enough to form pebbles. And then just place it into the fridge once you're done. For the muffin, just cream the butter and sugar together in a large bowl until it becomes light and fluffy. Make sure that your butter is at room temperature when you do this step. When it's all creamed together, we're going to add in an egg and beat it until it's evenly mixed in. Then add in your yogurt and vanilla essence and mix it until it's evenly incorporated. Then whisk in your flour, Kinako, baking soda and baking powder and fold it all in until it's evenly mixed through. Preheat the oven to 210 degrees Celsius, then grease a muffin pan and add the batter halfway, then put in a dollop of sesame paste and then fill the remainder with more muffin batter. We're then going to top the muffins with streusel and place it into the oven to bake at 210 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes and then reduce the temperature down to 180 degrees for 12 minutes. And that's it, our Kinako muffins are ready. Thanks for watching and please remember to like and subscribe.